Tetra Pak Factory OS quality management. No surprises, no compromises. With quality management, customer gain a single entry point to manage both Tetra Pak equipment and non-Tetra Pak equipment, covering every quality aspect end-to-end from raw material reception, processing, packaging, warehouse, and even market plans. To insist consistent quality procedures are in place, customer can create a predefined sampling plan, so what needs to be sampled, and predefined test plan, what needs to be tested on samples, tailored to the customer's specific need, enabling quick adaptation to production changes. Quality management includes equipment-independent, real-time sampling and test guidance. This provides a common user interface in the entire factory, reducing operator training costs and onboarding time. It also offers the possibility to scale up production whenever needed. In case of issue, quality manager or whoever is configured will receive email in order to take corrective action in the shortest possible time. This approach generates reliable and structured data to drive continuous improvement, speed up root cause analysis, and enable seamless AI integration. Tetra Pak Factory OS quality management. No surprises, no compromises.